Above, beyond, always. Those words capture the heart of what MORryde tries to do every day when dealing with our customers. At our core, we just want to treat people the way that we'd like to be treated. No one department at MORryde captures this effort more than our service department, where we meet RVers from all over the country. As we help them with upgrades to their RV, we also hear some of their stories. We thought we'd let you meet some of these people and hear their stories as well. It's part of what makes the RV lifestyle unique and attractive to so many people.
Hi, my name is Ron Henderson. I'm an aircraft inspector for the commercial side for the moment. I've done private jets, astronautics for rockets, and commercial airlines. What made me get into my profession? I was in the military. I did 17 years, started with the Navy, and did my early on career learning education, travel, rank, see the world, and then I switched over to the Marine Corps and finished out in '96. After I'm done with my aviation career, I'm going to go back and pick up where I left off, or pick up with photography once again, and do travel photography, fly my drones, be the nerd that I am, and just go hang out in the trees and just see Alaska again. I was there twice in the military, loved it. Now I want to drive and just go chill and pull over wherever I can. I've got full solar array on the top, and I'm ready to go. I can boondock all day long. I've been RVing for about 16 years or so, plus or minus. I travel in my big old Goliath of an RV. My flat deck Grand Design Reflection 312 BHTS. The reason why I'm here at MORryde today is because I'm getting prepared for a trip to Alaska. And instead of having the standard electric drum brakes, I wanted to go to what I used to have, was the disc brake, electric over hydraulic. I prefer that on the downhill sides, and when you really have to stop, I prefer to have disc brakes. Yeah, I made arrangements with MORryde to install my disc brake setup. I wanted to go from the stock equalizer and shackle setup to the CRE 3000 and the Crossmember for the 4000. I added that as well, just for some added comfort when I'm swinging turns with these things. I like the build quality. I've taken a tour of the facility here and like what I see, and they take care of the people, and they make you feel welcome. You're not just coming to spend money, you're coming to hang out with them. So it's pretty cool.